Hey there, this is Coach Maya. Ever feel like you're just faking it at your job? Trust me, you're not alone. Even 71% of CEOs feel this way. It's called imposter syndrome. And I've got some quick tips to help you get past it. First up, adopt a growth mindset. Think of your skills like a video game character, always leveling up with experience. You're not supposed to be perfect from day one. Stop comparing yourself to others. Seriously, it's a confidence killer. Instead, compare yourself to where you were 6 months ago, and that's your real competition. When you get feedback, take it seriously, but not personally. It's about improving your work, not questioning your worth. And here's the confidence hack. Try mentoring someone junior. Nothing proves you know your stuff like teaching it to others. Remember, you don't need to banish self-doubt completely. Just don't let it stop you. You earn your place here, and that's a fact.